Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's free lead system review video, I'd like to share with you a system that can generate you free leads to promote any offer that you're currently promoting. But more importantly, in this video, I want to show you a lot more than that. I want to show you how it's, first of all, it's free to join. So there'll be a link in the description. I want to show you how you don't even need an autoresponder because all the follow-ups and the emails are sent out automatically for you. And within those emails, I'll take you inside the system and I'll show you how you can promote any offer on autopilot, and you can change that offer at any time. I'm also going to show you an option where you can earn unlimited $6 commissions with the free lead system. That's not compulsory. It will still work if you don't want to take this option. But if you want to get into profit fast and start to earn unlimited $6 commissions, then this is a great way and a great system to do that. And there's also a Facebook group for help, support, and training as well. So if you're brand new, um, you're gonna get all the help, support, and training that you need. So the first thing they give you, 100% done for you system. You don't have to create anything. So this is a lead capture page that they give you, and all you do is you just promote one link, and they give you training on how to do that as well. So when you get your lead capture page like this, what happens is your prospects put their email into here, and then they get a free lead system. And if you go into the description under this video, that's how you can get started. And then what happens is it's just 3 simple steps. So it's very beginner friendly. If you haven't made your first dollar online yet, or you're brand new, or you want to generate more leads, then it's a great system for that. So all you do is 3 simple steps. You watch that video above that gives you a bit more information. You enter your website below. So this website here is any offer that you want to promote. And what happens is when you put your URL into here and you click update, then when you generate a lead, the system sends follow-up autoresponder messages out automatically, and your offer is promoted within those emails. So it's a very clever system. You don't need an autoresponder. All you've got to do is just promote it and drive traffic to the lead capture page, and I'll help you with that as well if you need help. And then you advertise your link here. So step 3 is promoting your link, and that's your referral link that you get there. And it's very, very simple, just 3 simple steps. Now, if you want to earn, I'll just show you some proof of the leads, and I'll show you some proof of the commission shortly that you can earn. But these I've got the upgraded version called Lead Lightning. So you don't have to have Lead Lightning to become successful with free lead system. But because I'm upgraded to Lead Lightning, all my leads go into my Lead Lightning members area. Yours will go into your free lead system area if you don't upgrade. And what you'll see here is within the members area, what you'll see here is I'm live here. Is that so far I've generated 54 leads with the system. So what's happening there is that they are sending out autoresponder messages every single day, and they are promoting my offer to these 54 leads. So you're earning additional commissions on your offers on automation because the system does it all for you. So it's very, very clever in the way it works. And I'll just show you some proof of commissions here. If you do want to upgrade, it's a one-time $7 to become a member of Lead Lightning. So there's no monthly membership costs. You pay your one-time $7. And then if you upgrade, you can still promote the free lead system, and then that will promote Lead Lightning for you, as well as your offers within the system as well. So it's very clever the way it works. You still promote one link, you can still promote your free lead system, but you'll see here so far in the month of May, I've made $42 in commission. So I just paid $7 once, and And so far this month, I've made $35 of profit. So it's a great way if you're brand new to start earning some commissions online. And then with those commissions, you can either buy some more traffic, or you can use it to start some other offers and build a portfolio, um, or just get more traffic. And you can just build up your lead lightning commission. So there's lots of ways, lots of things you can do with it. You've got lots of options. And even though there's some training in the members area, so over here in free lead system and lead lightning, you've got training here, traffic generation, traffic training. I'll also pin this blog post that I wrote to the top comment below this video, and these are my best free traffic sources that I use every day. 5 free traffic sources. So you can use these traffic sources to promote free lead system, or if you upgrade, you can promote lead lightning as well. Excuse me. So I use these every day, so I know that they work. And I'll pin that blog post to the top comment below this video. So if you've enjoyed today's video, then please give me a like. I'd really appreciate that, because that will help support the growth of my YouTube channel. And please share this video with anybody you think would be interested in generating leads or earning commissions online. And if you've enjoyed today's video, then please click subscribe and the bell icon, and then you'll get notified of all my new videos. So currently I'm doing several new videos every week, and I've now got over 1,000 videos on my channel. If you've got any questions about free lead system or lead lightning, leave those in the comments below, and I'll answer those questions for you. And I'll put my email address in the description if you want to contact me and you want to, if you need an offer to promote within the free lead system, I'll give you a free offer you can promote that will earn you commissions as a free member. So the link in the description, this one here, is where you get your free lead system. Just put your email in there, and then you get a free account exactly the same as this one here. And then you can have a good look round here. You can have a good look round the members area, watch the video above, have a good look round all these tabs here and see how things work. And then you can start to generate some leads for free, and then you can start to promote your offer on autopilot, and then earn some more commissions for your primary business or for your offers. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.